Hello, we have been using with my husband this drill bit set for the past month for our DIY projects at home. The set comes with 12 pieces and let me open it. So it comes with 5 bits and 5 replacement drill bits. Also it comes with magnetic extension and also with hex key. Let me show you the drill bits. This is size 4, it's 564 inches. Then size 6, it's 332 inches. Size 8, 764 inches. Size 10, it's 1/8, and then size 12, and that's 964 inches. The drill bits have adjustable depth tab for precise drilling depth. The titanium coated drill bits feel very durable, and the included storage case keeps everything organized. We tested it with our impact driver and it fit perfectly with the 1/4-inch hex shank. The two flute design cuts smoothly and help reduce rough edges in the wood. It works great on plywood, hardwood, and even on softwood. Once you make the pivot hole, this one, the inside, it's very easy the screw to go in. Now I'll show you. You see how easy it was, the screw to go in the hole? This set is very useful for anyone doing woodworking, furniture assembly, or DIY home projects.